I am going to do custom band sneakers using some old Fendi purse that I have. And then second part, we're gonna have to take it to shoe repair. All right, we made it to Hobby Lobby. Come on, Roxy.
So cute.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, this store is so cute. Look at all this fall stuff. Where to get the arts and crafts glue? Roxy, I'm following you. She always leads the way. She thinks she knows where she's going. She's so prissy like that. Alright, I don't know which one's the best, but we're here. So, liquid stitch. I want something that dries clear, that's for sure. This is what I'm cutting up. No one uses it. I couldn't sell it. They're like, no one's gonna buy this. And these are the Vans. I got them at DSW. Pretty good sale, so I don't mind lifting them up. Oh, look at this. I have all these tools to cut things with. I watch YouTube all the time. I'm addicted to YouTube. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is cool. Like, you know what? I changed my oil in my car the other day because I watched YouTube. I was like, so easy.
Hey, damn.
The next thing I want to do is neurosurgery. So if you need...
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know about that.
I'm scared to cut this up, guys.
Wow. So what are you doing right now, actually?
This Fendi purse.
So you're going to put your Fendi, you're going to sew it into that?
Yeah, so I'm going to like cut a little piece here.
Okay.
That I'm going to put...
Are you going to resell it too?
This, once I glue it, I have fabric glue on here. I mean, I'm going to take this stitching off, and once I glue it on there, let it dry, I'm going to take it to an actual shoe repair. Let's get to it. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Help me on my feet. Help me on my feet. These shoes are coming along so nicely. Look at that. And I just watched YouTube. Anyway. Alright, so it's time to send these babies in. I'm so excited. Yes, my shoes are here. Let's see how we're gonna mix them up.